Good morning, students. In the previous video we have covered the topic in case of the loss to the firm, and today's our topic is when the appropriation are more than the profit. It means that when your appropriation, it means your distribution of salary, distribution of interest on capital are more than your profit. It means that all the partners decided in the partnership deed that we will get the interest on capital, salary, and whatever the remuneration you have decided in your partnership deed, but the available profit is not sufficient to compensate your whatever you have decided in your partnership deed. As per the partnership deed, if the profit is not sufficient, then in that situation what will be the accounting treatment will be done. So read the line. In the case when the appropriation such as the interest on capital, salary to the partner, commission, etc. are more than the available profit, it means that your all the distribution are more than the available profit, and your profit is not sufficient to distribute the salary, interest on capital, profit, commission, whatever you have decided. In that situation, what will be the treatment, accounting treatment will be done. In that situation, the distribution should be done in the appropriation ratio of the appropriation. Suppose you all have decided that the Mr. A will getting rupees 50,000. A is getting 50,000 and B is getting 30,000. It means that Mr. A is getting 50,000 and Mr. B is getting 30,000 as per the appropriation, and the profit is not sufficient to distribute the 50,000 and 30,000, and your profit is rupees 20,000. In that case, the rupees only 20,000 can be distributed among the A and B. In that situation, the 20,000 should be divided or the distributed between the appropriation ratios. Suppose करो कि appropriation ratio आपका 50,000 और 30,000 का है. In that case, distribution will be done into 5:3 ratio. Suppose you are getting A should be receive rupees 50,000 and B should receive rupees 30,000, but your profit is only 20,000 या फिर 30,000. Your profit is less than your appropriation. In that situation, the profit 20,000 will be distributed among the appropriation ratio. It means that A should get the rupees 50,000 and B should get the 30,000. In that situation, into 5:3 के रेशियो में इनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना चाहिए. किस रेशियो में? 5:3 के रेशियो में उनको डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इनका एप्रोप्रिएशन रेशियो 5:3 का आ रहा है. इन दैट सिचुएशन, तो यही इस क्वेश्चन में अगर आप इस पॉइंट को अगर रीड करो फिर से, तो द प्रॉफिट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन द रेशियो ऑफ द एप्रोप्रिएशन. रेशियो ऑफ द एप्रोप्रिएशन कि जो भी पार्टनर है, जो भी उनकी जो एप्रोप्रिएशन की रेशियो, यानी कि जिस रेशियो में वो गेट कर रहे थे उसी रेशियो में जो अवेलेबल प्रॉफिट है उस रेशियो में उनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किया जाएगा, जिसको हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन के थ्रू आगे समझेंगे.